Hello everybody, this is an overview for my Azora environment project package. So this is for Unreal Engine. So first let's start with the the basic building block of this, so to speak, for this environment. So we have this very basic square. We can bring in is, of course I have a custom grid snapping. You can you can know the exact numbers I used and the package description. Where is, so like you have the basic building block, the basic square block, a ground square block, and you have these basic uh, like walls, so to speak, for the environment that create most of the environment. And you have conversion for other section of the environment, like this lab section, and you have conversion for the human corridor section, and also for the flying mech section, and for the vehicle, or for the uh, storage system section. Yeah, like the human size is very small, very tiny, and as you can see, this is the human scale. You can see here the human, and this is like the concept phase of the project, how I intended the project to be. Like, what think this is like a flying mech that can go through these two. Yeah. Stop. Most of the things in this package are designed to be snapped to the grid. Like, for example, if we brought this, and we have, like, you see how it's in the middle of the, like, it's in the middle of the grid. However, not everything is perfectly designed to be snapped on the grid. For example, this piece, where is it? Like this piece, I placed it manually, and when you so, like, even though, like, not everything has a perfect grid snapping, it has like a pivot point where it makes sense, like in this, like, it's literally, you can literally, once you place the first block, you can literally just uh, duplicate, drag, and replace it with, let me show you an example. So yeah, snap it, wait, so V and click, and now this 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 how, Jesus Christ. Now, as you can see, this is how you can, like, it's snappable in a way that makes sense, even though, like, not everything is perfectly making sense. These are placed, these are literally snapped. So this is what I built with the package. However, this is like, this section is not the only thing you can do with the package. In fact, I did not even use most of the package because I'm lazy. So I'm mentioning this in this overview video. So this environment that I've built, only using small portion of the package that I have. Also, Please note that I have the old package here and I forgot to name it. I'm not going to bother naming it. Also, don't say it. Also, I've designed this package with only very minimalistic textures. So if we went to 4K, standard 4K, so there is these base color textures are responsible for most of the package, except these. Most of the package are using this, and these are also an exception. They have I have created color variants, so you can like literally you can just go here, like for example, and you can standard color. Where is the materials? I structured the folder in a way that makes sense. Color variation. Okay. So yeah, for example this, and as you can see, I have demonstrated here how I created many variants. This is like the standard version of it. Let me enable it. This is a standard version. This is like a happy little accident. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, these are the main building parts. These are like a decoration for them. Also these are like conversion to a different section. These two, these and these are conversion for a different section. And like we have of course like some crates and the container. This is a container. These are light, of course. And we have some blueprints. I created some blueprint because why not? This, I don't know, I wasn't able to fix this, but I kept it anyway. Oh wow. Okay, it's only distorting in one view, but these are working just perfectly. And some decals, of course. And yeah, you have this package. You have, like, I hope you find it useful, and I hope if you did something cool with it to show me, I'd love to see your work. Honestly, you can tell me in the comment section. You can also tell me on my email or my Discord. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.